Hello boys and girls, how you doing? We're going to explain to you today our Wednesdays, our optional fitness Wednesdays, which is going to be Wildcard Wednesday, and you'll understand why it's going to be called that as we go through this presentation. So on here, Ms. Tobin has her Google Classroom codes. Her Google Classroom set up. She's going to explain to you how to get to this document if you were to be in the class, one of our classes. She'll describe it exactly how it works. Go ahead, Ms. Tobin.
Okay, so Mr. Mullins made a practice Google Classroom for me so I can show you guys exactly how to get into it. So I would click Mr. Mullins' class, I would scroll down, I would see that he posted assignment, WCW, Wildcard Wednesdays. So I'd go to the right, I see that there's a PowerPoint, I want to open that up. I scroll down and I say to myself, whoa, there's a lot going on here. All right, something to do with cards. All right, so clearly I don't have cards at my house, so I'm going to click no cards. Once I click no cards, I have this virtual shuffle deck for me, and once I click this, it's going to continue to shuffle the deck for me. Mr. Mullins is going to now come back in to the video, and he's going to describe to you guys technical difficulties.
On the top.
Where? Okay, here you go. He's going to describe to you what each suit is going to be and the exact exercise of how it's going to look. And Mr. McPartland's going to do the same thing. And I'll take the video.
All right, so here, when you open this, you'll see squats for hearts, lunges for clubs, jumping jacks for diamonds, push-ups for spades. So if you have a deck of cards, you can leave this open, and we'll show you how to do it, but you can leave this open so you have an idea what exercise you have to do. If you don't have a deck of cards and you need to hit this button down here on the right, what I would suggest would be we write it down on a sheet of paper or a whiteboard for us. So hearts would be squats, clubs would be lunges, diamonds would be jumping jacks, and spades would be push-ups. So now, what we'll do is, just so we use the cards on here, you don't have cards, you hit no cards. Right here, the deck is shuffled, like Ms. Tobin said. So, here we go, we click for a card. Now we have 3 diamonds. What that means is, our demonstrator, Mr. McPartland, will show you. Diamonds are jumping jacks, so he has to do 3 diamonds. 3 jumping jacks. Good, he finished that. Now he has 7 clubs, so he has to do 7 total lunges.
Notice, I'm stepping all the way out, keeping my back straight.
Knees not going over his
my
toes.
Chest up, my back knee is just above the ground. Now the beauty of this is, I lost count, I must have done more. The beauty of this is, can you bring us back to if you don't know what these are, you can click here. It'll bring you to a video. All right, giving a better detailed explanation of the exercises.
Pause that.
So here, just another point is, all those numbers you obviously are going to know, but jack means 11, queen is 12, king is 13, ace is 15, and if you get a joker in the deck, you get a 1-minute rest.
So maybe that's something else that you would want to write down on your piece of paper that you have off to the side.
Yep. This
or
way
your
you have
whiteboard.
a knowledge of what it is. So now, back to here, so 7.
Yeah.
He would have 9 push-ups.
Yep.
Now don't cheat like him, I think he only did 6, but all right, you got 9. Now, here you go, ace. Anybody remember what an ace was? No? Good. We'll go back.
Oh no.
An ace is 15.
Let's go back to the deck of cards. So that means we would have 15.
You would have 15 lunges, but
15 lunges.
we're gonna stop with the demonstration of the workouts, but we have now, just so you have a knowledge of what it looks like, it's pretty described for you here. And again, if you don't know, like Mr. McPartland said, you click on this and it'll take you to someone who's explaining a different type of workout and what the cards mean. But we have most of it labeled here. That's where you'll find it. What we're going to do is, this will be posted, and then we will change this every few weeks to different exercises on here for you. There's 52 cards in a deck. You don't have to do all 52. You could do as many or as little as you feel comfortable doing. It's up to you because it's an optional fitness. So if you want to push yourself really hard, go all 52. If you want to do it 2 or 3 times throughout the course of the day or week, you could do that also. But this is just a layout of what you can do for your Wednesday. Anything else?
Feel free to video yourself. If you would like to email us your video, you can also do that as well.
I would say maybe a tip, I would start with 10 cards, right? And maybe the following week, try to do 15 cards and then 20 cards. Or try to do as many as you can that first week. And then after that, record that number. Then after that, the following week, try to add on, maybe add 5 more cards. It's just something to push yourself. All right, once again, this is optional. It's an optional fitness challenge. I think this is something that I will definitely incorporate into my workouts. To me, it seems pretty cool.
All right, check it out. Let us know how it works out for you guys. Every Wednesday we'll be posting our Wildcard Wednesdays and the workouts will be changing. If you have any questions, feel free to email us at any point.